Hey guys, in this video, you're going to see about what are the benefit you getting by creating an account in Microsoft.com. Before going to our video, please subscribe to our channel to get videos like this. Go to your web browser and search for Microsoft.com. You already create an account using Microsoft Outlook or through Hotmail.com. Now I'm going to create a new one you can also create hotmail.com, outlook.in. Also, you can able to create like this. If I like to search whether it is available or not, is available, I will like to create a password. Now you can say you can able to have created a account in Microsoft.com. You can able to see there is a office where you can able to first thing we can able to get work and life, learn what this mean for you and more apps. You can able to get access to these apps in online like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook and Teams and more apps from this by creating an account in Microsoft.com, Office.com, and you can get the access for these apps. You have created sign in where you can able to sign in here. This basic account we can able to get this Microsoft 365 access of free Office for the web Office online apps. Only 5 GB cloud storage offer has been available for you. The next, what are the things not ready to buy? Get started with the free Office for the web and work together with others in the same document in real time. Securely store and share files from anywhere with OneDrive. Now let's go get you started on office.com. So you can able to get access for these apps for free for 5 GB storage. You can able to access all apps by simply creating an account. Word document, you can able to create a Word, Excel, PowerPoint. If you click this buy Office, you can able to see what are the current plan is free 5 GB of storage online apps only. And if you go to premium, you can able to subscribe to this. You can get this mail from about outlook.com, and you can able to create Word document, blank document and other premium templates. If we subscribe there, you will get access to this Word document also. Like that, all apps which available in this get access from this office.com where you create an account in this Microsoft.com. Also for Visual Studio in your browser, you can go to this link visualstudio.microsoft.com. Visual Studio is nothing but best-in-class tool for any developer, full-featured IDE to code, debug, test, and deploy to any platform. In this, if you go to the products and go to subscription, you can come to this My Benefit page. You can able to get benefit from creating an account from this Microsoft. You need to pick your account. It will be generating you what are the benefit it can offer from this subscription. You can see Visual Studio subscription, benefit subscription, get help and marketplace. Just a moment, you can able to see what all benefit include in my subscription. You can go to featured. You can able to see what are the tools you get. Like if I go to tools, you can get what are the tools. If you go to Office online, you will get free plan from yes. Professional development, you can able to get Pluralsight, Data Camp, Code Magazine, and LinkedIn Learning. LinkedIn Learning is available. If you go to this LinkedIn also, you can able to get this 1 month offer. But before it has been 3 months, but now it has been reduced to 1 month premium subscription. Unlock the power of LinkedIn with this. And Data Camp, where you can able to learn master or Python machine learning for 2 months subscription available here. You need to press this activate, get code, activate button to get this offer. Pluralsight offering before is offered 3 months. Now it reduced to 1 month. I don't know whether it's working or not. If you go to this benefits, what with the Pluralsight training benefits in Visual Studio subscription, what are the steps to activate it is you can see that before is provided 6 month subscription, but now it reduced to 1 month. You can able to see what are the steps which you need to follow. I don't know whether it's working or not. You can able to get this offer or benefit from this account by creating an account from Microsoft.com, and support. You can able to get the support from that. In all, you can able to see what all the benefit you get from this Visual Studio subscription. Also, you can able to go to blogs.microsoft.com. Recently, Microsoft also offered training to this COVID situation. You can able to see there. You can able to see, read all this blog. My thing is, you can able to see Microsoft launches initiative to help 25 million people worldwide acquire the digital skills needed in a COVID-19 economy. You can able to click it and you can able to read through it. What are these mentioned here around the world? 2020 has emerged as one of the most challenging year in many of your lifetimes. You can able to scroll through and you can able to see what are they mentioning here. That is what we are launching today. Today, Global Skills Initiative is based on months of planning across Microsoft to provide meaningful help to 25 million people globally by the end of 2020. Our activities will be focused on these 3 areas. What are the areas they have mentioned here? In this, these 10 jobs were identified as having the greatest number of job openings, have had steady growth over the past 4 years, pay a livable wage, and require skills that can be learned online. You can able to get that much of our skills work is targeted providing people with the skills of these disciplines. You can able to see using the data, we identify 10 jobs that are in demand in today's economy and are well positioned to continue to grow in this future. If you press this activity, if I go to press and press for become a digital marketing specialist, you can see it is available free for you to learn. They have mentioned here to help people pursue job in this area. We are making LinkedIn learning paths aligned with this, with each of these roles available free of charge through the end of March 2021. Each learning path includes a sequential view of video content designed to help job seekers develop the core skill needed for each role. So create an account now to this Microsoft.com and use valuable resources like this. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch videos like this. Thanks.